Today we're going to color a rusty bird cage. It's rust all over it, you can see. So what we need is, at first I have unscrewed it part by part for my convenience. Then I'll be needing some emery paper. So using the emery paper we can easily remove the rust. So it's a bit tiring procedure, but that's very effective. Like this we can remove all of the rusts from all of these walls of the cage. Before doing the painting we have to do it. Now for doing the color, you should use oil based enamel, don't use water based enamel, and you will get like more effective coloring if you use a metal primer at first after removing the rust. But I didn't use any metal primer, I directly used the oil based enamel. And you can use normal paintbrush. Here you can see I have already colored two walls. And one tip about coloring is, when you are coloring in one side, then just coloring a small portion at the same time, do it on the other side, because when you are coloring at one side, some colors are also going in the other side. So if you just after coloring a small portion you color the other portion on the other side, then it will save a lot of paint and a lot of effort as well. How to do the painting: when you are painting on this side of the grill, at the same time after painting a small portion, do it on the other side as well, so it will reduce your effort and amount of paint. Now I have painted all of the four walls, and I made a contrast of deep blue and sky blue. Now I have reassembled the cage. Now the birds have a big room to move. We can see how happy our feather friends are. And reassembling was not that complicated. It's just 6 nut bolts here and 6 on the other side. So you can see now how a rusty cage looks so shiny and awesome.